Hello everybody, this is standard third science chapter number 11 air, water and weather. So let's start the new words. Before we start the lesson, let's start the hard words so that we can understand more things. The very first one is moving. What is that? Moving. Second, oxygen. Moving means to move here and there. Okay, one place to another. Moving. Then oxygen. Oxygen means whichever we are taking, breathe in, right? So that is called oxygen. Liquid. Okay, like water, petrol, milk. This is known as a liquid. Okay, these are the liquid forms. So liquid. Then lightning. Okay, lightning means during rainy season at night there are some lightning in the sky. Okay, so that is known as lightning. Cloudy. Okay, cloudy, we can see number of clouds while rainy season, right? So that is known as cloudy. Okay, then wind, then breathe out, whichever we are taking in and whatever we are breathe out, that is known as breathe out. Evaporation. Okay, then storm, then effects, then gases, then smoke, then condensation, then rain, then water vapor, then germs, then weathers. Okay, then amount, then dust again. Okay, streams. Okay, then gender, then harms, then particles, then water cycle, then breeze, then seasons. Okay, there are three seasons in India. Then carbon dioxide, we are taking out, we are breathing out what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, we are breathing in oxygen and we are breathing out carbon dioxide. Then solid, then thunder and activities. So dear students, these were what our hard words on new words. Wind, what do you mean by wind? Wind means moving air. Okay, moving air. Then storm means wind blowing at a very high speed along with thunder, lightning and rain. Okay, that is known as storm. Then water cycle, what do you mean by water cycle? The cycle of change of water from one form to another in nature, that is known as water cycle. Then weather, what do you mean by weather? Condition of the air of a place at a particular time, that is known as weather. Okay, now let's start the lesson chapter number 11 air, water and weather. First of all, we are going to check out air. What do you mean by air? All living things need air to live. Okay, we all, whomever we are living, we are the living things, right? Human beings, animals, birds, etc. They are living beings. So they are all the living things need air to live. Okay, then air present at all around us. Then air is present all around us. Okay, then we can feel it but we cannot see. Air we can feel only. Okay, air we cannot see. We feel it when it moves. Okay, whenever air is moving, during that time only we can feel it, we cannot see it. Moving air is called wind. Okay, now what air contains. Now, what does air contains? So let's check out. Air contains many gases, water vapor, water and dust particles. Okay, then the main gases in air and nitrogen are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, air contains a lot of things. What air contains? Gases, then water vapor, dust particles, etc., etc. And the main gas in the air are nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, so air contains dust particles as well as gases as well as water vapor. Now air contains mainly three gases, which are they? Nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, then humans, plants and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, so human, plants and animals, they are taking breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and make their food and releases oxygen. Okay, the plants, whichever your surroundings you can see, the plants you can see, and that are taking carbon dioxide as a breath in. Okay, as a breath in they are taking and they are releasing, they are making food and they are releasing oxygen. Okay, sometimes air also contains smoke and germs. Okay, then these make the air impure. We should plant trees to clean the environment or clean the air. Okay, so we should grow more and more plants. Why? Because plants are making our environment clean. Okay, they are releasing oxygen. Okay, now water is the most important thing for life on the earth. We need water to drink, bath, wash clothes and for many other purposes. Okay, water is also very precious thing in our life. Okay, very most important thing on the earth. We are using water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, etc., etc. Okay, about 70% of our body weight is water. Okay, our 70% of our body total weight is belongs to water. Okay, rivers, lakes and streams are some sources of water. Okay, now on page number 88 there are some MCQs. First number, blank is present all around us, so answer is B number, air. Answer is B number, air. Second number, what does air contain? So answer is C number, both of these. Answer is C number, both of these. Third number, about 70% of our body weight is, answer is B number, water. Okay, answer is B number, water. Now water cycle. What do you mean by water cycle? In nature, water is found in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, solid. What is the solid form of water? Ice. What is the liquid form of water? Water. And what is the gas form of water? Water vapor. Okay, now the water in lakes, ponds, rivers and seas is heated by the sun. What is happening? Whichever the water, there is water in the lake, pond, seas, that is heated by the sun. Okay, heated by the sun. Due to heating, water changes into water vapor. This is called evaporation. Now due to heating, the water changes into water vapor. It is known as evaporation. Okay, the water vapor rises and reaches at high. The water vapor reaches at high. the water vapor mixes with the dust and other things present in the air and gets cooled to form the cloud. Okay, then this is called condensation. Now what do you mean by condensation? The water vapor rises and reaches at the high, and the water vapor mixes with the dust and other things present in the air and gets cooled to form the cloud. This is known as condensation. Okay, now the water drops start becoming bigger and heavier. When they become too heavy, they fall down as rain. Okay, now water drops start becoming bigger and heavier, and when they are too much heavy, they are falling as a rain. Okay, then this rainwater goes back into the river, ponds, lakes and seas, from where it is evaporate again. This cycle continues, so this is called the water cycle. Okay, now here we are just stopping. The next part we are going to check out in the next video. Dear students, today we learned that what is air. Okay, moving air is called wind. Now what moving air is called wind, then air contains many gases, water vapor, dust particles. Okay, and many gases called nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Okay, so if we want to make our air clean or weather clean, then we should grow more and more plants. Okay, then water, there are three kinds of state of water: solid, liquid and gases. And we come to know what do you mean by water cycle. Okay, the rivers, the water of rivers, ponds, seas, they are getting heated by the sun and they change into the water vapor and the clouds made, and finally because of too much cloud they fall as a rain, and again the ponds and all, they are building up. This is the cycle, this is called the water cycle. Okay, so here we are stopping. In the next video we are going to check out the next part. Thank you.